Presenting the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock brakes, a HomeLink system. Inside you'll find heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, an MP3 player. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Selecting a Hyundai certified pre-owned vehicle is the clear, confidence-inspiring choice. Along with great fuel economy, safety, style, and technology found in all Hyundai vehicles, you'll benefit from a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, plus the remainder of the 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty. That's just the beginning. All Hyundai certified pre-owned vehicles come with a 150-point inspection, 10-year mileage roadside assistance, and first-day rental car reimbursement for covered repairs. On top of that, you'll enjoy 90 days of no-charge Sirius XM satellite radio, Hyundai BlueLink, and the peace of mind provided by a free Carfax vehicle history report.